Dear students, in this unit we will talk about the specialized hyphae in mycorrhizal fungi. Now, we have discussed previously that mycorrhizal fungi are a special type of fungi which have a symbiotic relationship with the roots of plants inside the soil. Now, in that symbiotic relationship, fungi provides important nutrients such as different nitrogen compound to the roots of the plants, and in return they get food from those plants, so in order to survive and in order to flourish. Now, when we talk about the hyphae are the long filamentous branches which are found, which make up the body of these fungi. Now, we know that these fungi have a special cell wall made up of chitin. Chitin is a special kind of polysaccharide. It's a flexible nitrogen containing polysaccharide, in fact. Those mycorrhizal fungi, they are multicellular, and their multicellular body is divided into different types of hyphae, and those hyphae are actually divided into different cells by cross walls or septa. Now, as you can see in this picture, we have the root of the plants. This is the root of the plants, and you can see different types of hyphae are present inside the soil, and they have a deep connection with the root of the plants. They provide them essential nutrients which they absorb through the decaying material. They act on those dead organic material, and they absorb important nutrients and they provide it to the plants, and in return plants also provide them with food and other things. So these hyphae are large enough that ribosomes, mitochondria, and even nuclei can flow from one cell of the hyphae to the other. And these hyphae, they not only absorb food from the host but also from the soil, and they also transport nutrients from one hyphae to the other hyphae. Now, based on the presence of internal septa, hyphae can be classified into different types. For example, some of the most common hyphae that include septate hyphae, we have talked about it, that they have a special cell wall partition known as septa between them. Then we have cenocytic hyphae. Then we have non-septate or continuous hyphae. They are also known as pseudohyphae. So when we talk about the unicellular fungi, including yeast, they don't have any hyphae. They are simple. They have oval or round shaped cells, while when we talk about the molds, all of the molds, they are made up of different types of hyphae. Now, roughly we can divide these hyphae into three regions. The apical zone is the one hyphae which are at the tip, which are at the far end. They are about 5 to 10 micrometer in length. Then we have subapical region, where we have hyphae that extend up to 40 micrometers and back to the apical zone. Then we have another zone known as zone of vacuolation, in which many vacuoles and lipids is accumulated in those regions of hyphae. So these specialized hyphae are present in the mycorrhizal fungi and help it to adapt successfully to perform its symbiotic work and symbiotic relationships.